Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of sleek design and powerful performance with the HP Essential 255G8 laptop. Are you ready to elevate your computing experience? Let's explore. Say hello to the HP Essential 255G8 laptop, your ultimate companion for productivity, creativity, and entertainment. Boasting a stunning 15.6-inch Full HD display, powered by the cutting-edge AMD Ryzen 5500U processor, and equipped with a massive 32 GB of RAM. This laptop is a true powerhouse. Need speed? Look no further. With a lightning-fast 1TB PCIe SSD, the HP Essential 255G8 laptop ensures that your apps load in a flash and your files are always at your fingertips. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless multitasking. Stay connected wherever you go with the HP Essential 255G8 laptop, featuring a built-in webcam, SD card reader, HDMI port, and Wi-Fi 6 capability. You'll have all the tools you need to stay in touch, share content, and collaborate effortlessly. Get ready to experience the future of computing with Windows 11 Home Edition. With its sleek design, intuitive interface, and powerful features, Windows 11 takes your productivity and creativity to new heights. And the HP Essential 255G8 laptop is the perfect vessel to unleash its full potential. So there you have it, folks. The HP Essential 255G8 laptop is more than just a laptop, it's your gateway to endless possibilities. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a multimedia enthusiast, this laptop has everything you need to succeed. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.